Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chimma here again. Today we're going to be doing a very simple press on nail tutorial, as you can see. So first off, I would like to list out the things we're going to be using for this press on nail tutorial. Firstly, we'll be needing these tips right here. I preferred using this oval tip because it's not so long. I don't want a very long nail, so this is how it looks like. I'll be using this tip for this tutorial. Tips. We'll be needing a glue. This glue is from Planet Nails. If you're in South Africa, you can get it from Planet Nails. Needing this buffer right here to buff the nail bed, to buff away the shine on our nail bed when we want to put on the press-on nails. You'll also be needing a cuticle pusher. We're needing a cuticle pusher also to push back the cuticle and the dead skin from the nails. This is a nail art brush. We'll also be needing it for this tutorial. This is how it looks. We'll also be needing this. This is called a dotting tool. We'll also be needing a top coat. If you don't have a top coat, you have to get sanitizer. Also to sanitize the nail bed, to sanitize the nail plate, okay? And to the most important part, I would say, we'll be needing our colors, our nail polish. To be using this lastik right here, and also I'll be using this red nail polish also as well. So you need a nail polish. This is a gel nail polish. You can use any nail polish you have, even if it is not gel polish, okay? I think that's all the things we're going to be needing for this tutorial. Let's get started, okay? Yeah, so firstly, what you're gonna do is to size out the tips you're working with. Pick the actual sizes of your natural nails, then set it aside. You already know what you're gonna work with. After applying your base color, which is white in my case, make 2 dots close to each other around the nails. Now gently swipe downwards throughout these circles to form the flower. Place a dot in the middle of the flower and also form single petals on the side of the nail. Second nails, after applying my red gel polish, I decided to go with a white gel polish for the decorations, for the drawing of my petals, and I only did it on the side of the nails. This time around, it wasn't around the nails or in the middle of the nails. I only did it on the side, as you can see, and it's so easy, super fast to do. It takes less than a minute to do this. Okay, I'm done with the nail art. I cured it in the lamp for 2 minutes, and now I'm applying my top coat just to give it extra shine. If you like, you can also apply a matte gel top coat if you don't want it shiny, but I want it shiny, so I applied a top coat on it. I also cure it for another 2 minutes, and that is it. Very simple, very easy. Wait for the final review to see how beautiful it looks. The application, as you can see, I'm pushing back my cuticles. If you really want your press-on nails to last for a very long time, or for as long as you want to wear them, you really need to push back your cuticles and also buff out the shine, buff away the dead cells, dead skin. Okay, it will help the press-on nail to stay put and be stronger and durable. Lastly, I sprinkled my sanitizer just to dehydrate and cleanse the nail plate. So go ahead and apply your glue and apply your press-on nails. Okay, so we've come to the end of this tutorial, guys. Make sure to try it at home. It's so simple, especially now that we are on a lockdown. Okay, do not forget to share it with anybody and everybody. And if you love it, subscribe to my channel, like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.